Hello everyone, we Team Divit have come up with a solution for automated notes maker from audio recordings. Notes making is one of the most wonderful habits that always makes you stand out from the crowd. It is applicable in every field. Making notes always helps you in long run. You have an idea about the entire topic just by glancing at it. With this, you have better clarity and it helps you to become more precise, productive, and perfect. It helps students ace their tests and score better. In traditional notes making, grasping every point is a Herculean task. Sometimes missing a point might affect the entire understanding of the concept, and it's very common during online classes. Automated Notes Maker comes to the rescue of students in such situations. It provides you with the transcript of the entire lecture and saves a lot of time. Unlike traditional notes making, there are few advantages of notes making. Time saving, captures information completely, useful for future reference, accuracy. But there are even a few disadvantages or possible glitches which could occur while speech recognition of these audio recordings. Possible glitches are type of noise, size of vocabulary, speaking style, channel characteristics, speaking mode, speaker dependency. Size of vocabulary. In general dictation task, the larger the size of vocabulary, the harder it is to perform recognition. Speaking style. A reader's speech may be in informal style or a spontaneous or a conversational with casual style. The latter is harder to recognize. Channel characteristics. Human speech contains high bandwidth with full frequency range, while a telephone speech consists of low bandwidth with limited frequency range. Speaking mode. Whether the speech is in isolated word mode or connected word mode or it in a continuous speech mode. Speaker dependency. Speech can be speaker dependent, speaker adaptive, or speaker independent. A speaker independent is hardest to build. Type of noise. The type of background noise such as stationary, non-human noise, background speech, and the crosstalk by the other speakers also contributes to the difficulty of the problem. We have used Python to achieve this speech recognition as it is platform independent. Using Python packages like speech recognition, port audio, PyAudio. We'll discuss in detail why we have chosen these packages. Speech recognition allows computers to understand human language. Speech recognition is a machine's ability to listen to spoken words and identify them. You can then use speech recognition in Python to convert the spoken words into text. Port Audio is a free cross-platform open source audio input or output library. It also a prerequisite library to get the subsequent library PyAudio to work. PyAudio provides Python bindings for Port Audio, the cross-platform audio I/O library. With PyAudio, you can easily use Python to play and record audio on a variety of platforms such as GNU or Linux, Microsoft Windows, and Apple Mac OS or Mac OS. Natural language processing will be helpful to process the text recognized from the microphone. Natural language processing, or NLP for short, is broadly defined as the automatic manipulation of natural language like speech and text by software. The study of natural language processing has been around for more than 50 years and grew out of the field of linguistics with the rise of computers. Natural Language Toolkit (NLTK). NLTK is one of the leading platforms for building Python programs that can work with human language data. It presents a practical introduction to programming for language processing. NLTK comes with a host of text processing libraries for sentence detection, tokenization, lemmatization, stemming, parsing, chunking, and POS tagging. NLTK provides easy-to-use interfaces to over 50 corpora and lexical resources. The tool has essential functionalities and require for almost all kinds of natural language processing tasks with Python. Gensim is a Python library designed specifically for topic modeling, document indexing, and similarity retrieval with large corpora. All algorithms in Gensim are memory independent with respect to the corpus size, and hence it can process input larger than RAM with intuitive interfaces. Gensim allows for efficient multi-core implementations of popular algorithms, including online latent semantic analysis (LSA or LSI or SVD), latent Dirichlet allocation (LDA), random projections (RP), hierarchical Dirichlet process (HDP), or word-to-vec deep learning. Spacy is an open source NLP library in Python. It is designed explicitly for production usage. It lets you develop applications that process and understand huge volumes of text. Spacy can process text for deep learning. It can be used to build natural language understanding system or information extraction systems. Spacy is equipped with pre-trained statistical models and word vectors. It can support tokenization for over 49 languages. Spacy boasts of state-of-the-art speed, parsing, named entity recognition, convolutional neural network models for tagging, and deep learning integration. TextBlob is a Python library designed for processing textual data. It focuses on providing access to common text processing operations through familiar interfaces. TextBlob objects can be treated as Python strings that are trained in natural language processing. TextBlob offers a neat API for performing common NLP tasks like part-of-speech tagging, noun phrase extraction, sentiment analysis, classification language translation, word inflection, parsing n-grams, and WordNet integration. This is the solution prototype we have developed for automatic notes maker from audio recordings. Automated notes maker for audio recordings.
Automatic notes maker for audio recordings.
As you can see, the audio we have given for the speech recognizer has been recognized and has been noted down in a Word file. And you may wonder how it has happened, but because we have even given a path over here in the code itself to be directly connected to the Word file. Thank you.